Welcome to Top Rated. Ten Best Welding Machines of 2025. Top 1. Weldpro Omni 210 Dual Voltage 110V/220V AC/DC Multiprocess Welder MIG Fluxcore Stick AC/DC High Frequency TIG with Pulsar and Aluminum Balance Frequency Control 3-year warranty welding machine. All-in-one welding machine. 200 amp TIG AC/DC High Frequency AC, High Frequency DC welding machine. DC MIG FCAW, Flux MIG, Gas MIG welding machine, MIG wire spool capacity up to 12 pounds. 200 ADC stick MMA, welding amperage range from 20-200A, duty cycle 30% at 200A. Aluminum spool gun capable, connect the Weldpro SB8 spool gun, sold separately, flip a switch, and you are ready for aluminum MIG welding. TIG 200A AC/DC professional welder. AC/TIG features high frequency start with balance, frequency, and full pulse controls, as well as square and sine wave shape options. DC/TIG features high frequency or lift arc starting, with full pulse controls. CK17 Worldwide Superflex TIG torch. Excellent professional design rocker style foot pedal without annoying intermediate amperage control. Top 2. YESWELDER Firstess DP200 Dual Pulse, 7-inch LCD screen 120-240V Dual Voltage MIG Welder, MIG Pulsed MIG Fluxcore Spool, Gun MIG Lift TIG Stick Multiprocess Welding Machine. Dual Pulse MIG Tech, achieving a perfect weld like what is typically done with TIG can be a breeze. Even beginners can master welding thin materials, including aluminum backed by Dual Pulse MIG Tech, Pulse Flex, and adaptive pulse technologies together. They give you total command over thin metals and heat. 7-inch large LCD screen. The YESWELDER Intuitive Weld interface allows for seamless adjustments with a simple knob twist, displaying every setting clearly and intuitively. Additionally, the dual-color UI lets you switch between black and white for a more personalized experience. Top 3. SSIMDER Aluminum MIG Welder Pulse MIG Mag HF TIG Stick Pilot Arcade Plasma Cutter 200A Welding Machine South Dakota, 4050 Pro 10-in-1, Welder Cutter Combo. Upgraded Multiprocess Welder and Cutter. SSIMDER SD 4050 Pro, 2024, Welder is a 10-inch-1 welder and cutter, which allows you to use, with pulse MIG welding aluminum, mixed gas MIG welding, synergy MIG welding, flux cord MIG welding, high-frequency star TIG welding, stick welding and pilot arcade plasma cutting. Spill gun supported. The new SD 4050 Pro MIG welder allows to aluminum welding with pulse MIG. You can easily adjust the inductance and burn back control when MIG welding. Moreover, spill gun is now applicable while MIG welding. Spill gun needs to purchase separately. TIG welding with foot pedal. High-frequency star TIG welding/lift TIG welding is supported on this SD 4050 Pro welding machine. Top 4. ARCCAPTAIN MIG Welder, 200 amp 6-in-1 Gas MIG Gasless Fluxcore MIG Stick Lift TIG Spot Welding Spool Gun 110V/220V, Aluminum Multiprocess Welding Machine with LED digital display, burn back adjustment. Powerful 6-inch-1 MIG Welder, the multiprocess welding machine that included gas solid wire MIG, GMAW, gasless Fluxcore, MIG, FCAW, stick MMA, spot welding, lift TIG, spill gun connector optional, TIG gun and spool gun not included. Suitable for all kinds of welding requirements. 0.023"/.030/.035 solid wire, 0.023"/.030/.035 Fluxcore wire, 0.035"/.045 aluminum wire. 0.023". 0.045" rollers need to buy separately. Synergic MIG, digital control and automatically match the recommend current and wire feeding speed when selecting the diameter of welding wire in gas material. Also you can adjust the welding current according to your welding habit. easy to work with beginners or professional welders. Cooling fan that runs only when it's needed, so no constant buzzing sounds. Top 5. Weldpro 200A MIG 210 LCD dual voltage 110V/220V 5-in-1 multi-process MIG Fluxcore lift TIG MMA welder aluminum spill gun, capable with spot timer and auto set 3-year warranty welding machine. MIG FCAW, DC stick and lift TIG. Welding amperage range of 15-200A, dual voltage 120V/240V, compact and portable IGBT inverter design, overcurrent, overheating, and low voltage protection. Digital display provides accurate control of welding output, auto set menu for easy setup in all processes, MIG spot timer, inductance and run-in speed adjustments. Top 6. Plasma Cutter Welder Combo 200A Gas MIG Gasless MIG HFTIG Stick Cut Spot 6-in-1 Welding Machine Aluminum Welding, 110/220V Dual Voltage Multi-Process Welder. 6-inch-1 Multi-Functional Welder Machine. This 6-inch-1 multi-welder supports Flux MIG, Gas MIG, Plasma Cutting, HFTIG, and stick, spot welding. Provide a comprehensive solution for a wide range of welding and cutting tasks, suitable for both home DIY and industrial projects. Powerful cutting ability, 10mm ideal clean cut and 16mm maximum severance cut under 220V, 60% duty cycle. Uses non-hazardous, compressed air to cut stainless steel, alloy steel, mild steel, copper, and aluminum. Synergic MIG or manual MIG. Digital control and automatically match the recommend current and wire feeding speed when selecting the diameter of welding wire in gas material. The operation is so simple that even beginners can use it. Top 7. 250A MIG Welder, 6-in-1 Gas MIG Gasless Fluxcore Stick Lift TIG Spot Welding Spool Gun Compatible Aluminum Welding Machine, Large LED Display 110V/220V Multi-Process Welder. 6-in-1 welding machine. The multi-function welding machine included gas solid wire MIG, gasless Fluxcore MIG, stick MMA, spot, welding, lift TIG, spill gun compatible, TIG gun and spool gun not included, WP17V35, LBT150. MIG synergic control. When you selecting wire diameter and gas material, the welder will automatically match recommended current and wire feed speed. So, it's very easy for beginners. Also, if you are experienced welder, you can adjust the welding current according to your personal welding habit. Top 8. YESWELDER 135A MIG Welder, 110V Fluxcore Welder Fluxcore MIG Lift TIG Stick 3-inch-1 Large LED Digital Display Welding, Machine IGBT Inverter Welder Flux 135 PRO. Multi-process. Experience the convenience of a high-quality, budget-friendly 3-inch-1 welding machine that masterfully handles gasless Fluxcore MIG Stick Lift TIG. Additional 10 to 25 lift TIG torch required, BO8BXGGNFL. This unit caters to a wide range of welding applications and meets your various welding needs. Welding capacity. With a robust 135 amp output, this welder is capable of tackling mild steel workpieces up to 2/5 thick. It is compatible with 2 pounds .030 and .035 welding wire. For stick welding, the hot start and arc force can be adjusted to enhance your welding experience. Top 9. 165A MIG Welder, 110V/220V Dual Voltage Gasless Fluxcore MIG Welder Lift TIG Stick 3-in-1 Synergic MIG 16511 General Welding, Machine, Flux Solid Welder Digital Screen Display. 3-inch-1 Welder. The MIG 165 MIG Welder has multi-function for gasless MIG, lift TIG and stick. Maximum current is 165 amps, supporting gasless Fluxcore MIG wire and solid MIG wire, and can use 0.030 inch/0.035/0.040 Fluxcore wire size, 0.030 inch solid wire size. The Fluxcore welder excels in welding stainless steel, carbon steel, and even thicker steel, meeting diverse welding needs. Digital screen display. We designed this MIG welding machine with full new technology. MIG Welder 110V/220V with LED digital screen display voltage, current, and other parameters. You do not need to remove the helmet to assess the equipment status. You can make real-time adjustments, enhancing efficiency and accuracy. Top 10. Built hard 135A 3-inch-1 IGBT inverter welder, 110V Fluxcore MIG lift TIG stick welding machine with SSIMDER control, LED display, 2T/4T spot modes and full kit, solar helmet, gloves. 3-inch-1 multiprocess welder. The BILT hard 135A MIG 110V welding equipment offers 3 modes: Fluxcore MIG, lift TIG, TIG torch not included in the machine, stick welding, and supports 2T/4T spot trigger modes. Adapt to quick fixes, long seams, or spot welding, ensuring high quality and reliable results in any manufacturing process. LED digital display, tracking real-time voltage current wire speed via intuitive knobs and buttons. Specialized MIG, burn back inductance, and MMA, hot start arc force VRD, modes ensure customized welding. The IGBT inverter design significantly improves efficiency on standard 110V outlets, delivering continuous performance for garages, rooftops, farm works, or off-grid projects. Thanks for watching. Please like and share and subscribe our channel.